back to my channel, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because that takes way too long. So elf setting powder. Can't even see what I'm doing, like a bitch is blind. Abusive relationships are fucking, it's hard, bro. And it can happen between a man, between a woman. So for those who just think that it's okay for girls to hit but not for men to hit, it's not okay for either to hit, okay? Like, it's about equality. It's double standards, guys. But anyway, Master Concealed by Face Studio, and I don't know what shade this is. Oh, 30 light medium. Yeah, if you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know because I will slay that. I don't have my contacts in, guys, so if I'm too close to the mirror, it's because I can't see. I've been in an abusive relationship before, and I'm not gonna get in depth with that because it's like personal. I mean, I'll still make a video about it. It's just like too much of an explanation. But yeah, like, abuse could be, it doesn't necessarily mean when you physically hit someone. It could be verbal, it could be emotional. In a very toxic, manipulated relationship where all they do is cheat on you and they disrespect you all the time, you could feel low, they belittle you and not hit you, and that's still abusing, you know? Some people don't understand that. Abuse isn't just where you physically put your hands on someone. A lot of people have been in abusive relationships and don't even know it themselves, don't even realize it. And that's the sad part. It's just like those times where you don't even realize or understand if it is abuse because you're so in love with that person that you're in a relationship in. You're just so blindly in love. You don't even care what they do to you. That's what scares me the most, because you don't know who's really real. You don't know who's fake. I've always wondered what made these abusers do this to other people. I feel like it's the way they were raised, because I don't think no one's born with that kind of rage, you know? No one's born with anger. You learn from your surroundings when you're young. That's why I cannot stand when I see like a child near their two parents arguing and like fighting and yelling. Like, you know, I think whoever survives those kind of relationships and they just bounce back and they're happy again and they find true love again and they go out and they cure their depression, those are the strongest people ever. Like, I respect those kind of people because you had the audacity you had the strength to just do all that by yourself, even with help. You're still the strongest people ever. I'm taking my Morphe palette 39A. Use the shade Bear. I'm just gonna blend that out. Shade Evolve.
You said that I don't care.
Forever, which is a more plum dark purple color for more pop, and I'm putting it right below the brown shade.
You said that I don't care.
Then on the Morphe palette I used the shade Muse, which is a black color, and I put it on my crease. And I'm blending it up, and be very careful with black colors because once you go black you can't go back. So when you mix dark colors, you want to always make sure you have a transitioning color. You have to just make sure you have at least 3 colors because it's not going to look good. You want like that ombre effect where it's light beneath the brow bone and then like a medium dark tone and then the very dark tone in the bottom. So
right beneath my brow bone.
You said that I don't care.
Manipulators and abusers, they really be getting in your head saying things that aren't true just so you could stay with them. They know what they're doing is wrong, but they turn everything back to you so they could be the victim, you know? They're mad fucking childish. If you think about it, they really are. They're like kids. They think hitting people makes them more superior. That's not the case. It's not.
I'm going to keep building up the color to make it more vibrant. I'm going to keep packing onto the crease to also make the color more vibrant and to blend everything all together. We're going to make an eyeliner out of concealer. So then we could pack in some eyeshadow. I mean, I can't explain it. You guys will just see what I'm talking about.
You said that I don't care.
I'm just going to do my foundation on one side because I'm not even done with the... I haven't even done my eyeshadow on this, so I know that it looks crazy, like I know, but it's not gonna look crazy in the end, so be patient.
Rose water. And go back to this purple.
You said that I don't care.
That's the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoy. Bye.